the competition is continually fierce in the London market as it is in the States. You do the application process for your spring internships. You can often do 2 or 3 spring internships because they're only a week or too long. And those spring internships, at the end, there's a formal assessment center, an interview process to make offers for the penultimate year summer internships. They're the same as in the US.
It's interesting how the UK, there's these, you have the 2-day thing, and then it kind of extends to a 2-week thing, but it's really not a full on it's tough to evaluate someone in 2 weeks. It's kind of a joke. Whereas in the US, I feel like they do get a little bit of a feel over the summer, where the summer analysts are put through the grinder a little bit more. Did you feel like you knew what to expect? I mean, so tell me about your specific spring weeks, what you did, what firms, if you're willing to share, that you worked at for the spring weeks, and then how that translates to what you do over the summer and whatnot.
So I was a spring intern at 2 different bulge bracket banks. What typically those spring internships entailed is listening to shadowing for sort of the different divisions coming in and doing presentations, case studies. It's like a more detailed version of the high school thing.